Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you very interesting product. This is a preserved reindeer moss. Look at. First thing I noticed the natural green color. It looks fresh and adds a nice touch any project. Look at. I want to show you some. It has different color. Look at. And please, you must use gloves like me. Look at this one and this one. Look at. One thing I like that is already preserved, so you can use it right out of the bag. You don't need to water or take care of. Look. It's also soft and easy to work with. You can cut it into the small piece or a bigger piece, depending on your project. Okay, it's so soft, and you can cut it easily. That that interesting moss is great for the DIY project. You can use it for moss wall art, home decoration, wedding, or floral design. I would like to show you some project that I create from the moss. You can buy like the toile from the market and you can make like that green, and you can make like that picture. After you can put your wall, your cupboard, your TV stand. Look, it's so colorful. Also, you can make with that small picture frame like that. This is all your creation. Okay, look like that. You can put here glass and put your wall like that picture. Or even if you have a birthday card or celebration card, you can put it, you can stick like that and like that. And as I said before, it's so soft and colorful. The project is about your creation. You can create whatever you want. Thank you for watching.